Now let us start exercise 8.2, question number first. Firstly read the question. Question is, Himanshu bought 120 kilogram of sugar at 22 per kilogram. He sold 30% of the sugar at 13 per kilogram and remaining sugar at rupees 25 per kilogram. We have to find the gain or loss percentage on the whole of the sugar. Himanshu bought 120. So that means cost price of 120 kilogram of sugar. Firstly we have to find out CP of 120 kilogram of sugar is equals to, see there is given 22 per kilogram, 1 kilogram 22, we have to find out 120. So 120 multiply with 22. Firstly write now here CP of 1 kilogram of sugar is equals to rupees 22. Okay, and 120 kilogram of sugar, 120 multiply with 22, which is equals to rupees 2640. Next is he sold it 30% of the sugar at 13 per kilogram. So we have to find out now SP of 120 kilogram of sugar. SP of 30% of sugar, which is equals to, now firstly find 30% of 120, which is equals to 30 divided by 100 multiply with 120. 0 cut with 0, 12 3 is 36. So 30% of 120 is 36 kilogram. 30% of sugar SP is 36 multiply with 13, because 30% of sugar he sold it on the rupees 13 per kg. So 36 multiply with 13, that is rupees 468. Now next is SP of 70% of sugar. 70% of 120, or you can subtract the 36 from the 120. This is a similar, because if 36 we should calculate total, we have to find out the for 120 which is remaining left, that is sold at rupees 25 per kg. So you can find out by this way or by this, both will be right. See 120 minus 36, that is 84, or I can solve here 70%, 70 divided by 100 multiply with 120, same 84. You can write in any way. So 84 kilogram of sugar, that will be sold at 25 per kilogram. So 84 multiply with 25, that is rupees 2100. So total SP of 120 kilogram sugar, that is 468 plus 2100, which is equals to rupees, that is 2568. Now see here CP cost price is 2640, SP is 2568. Now SP is less than CP, so it indicates there is a loss. He get a loss. So loss is equals to CP minus SP, cost price minus selling price. Cost price is 2640, selling price is 2568. So this after subtraction, this is equals to 72. We have to find the loss percentage also. So loss percentage is equals to loss divide with the CP multiply with 100. Loss is 72. CP is given, that is 2640, 2640 multiply with 100. So 0 cut with 0, we can cut in the 2 table, 1, 3 and 2, here 5, again 2 6 12, then again 2 6 12, 2 3 is 6, 2 6 12, then again 33, here 2 1s are 2, 8s are 11 and here 9. Sorry, 6. 6 3 is 18 and 11 3 is 33. So 6 5 is 30. 30 divided by 11, which is equals to 2.72%. So this is a loss 72 and loss percentage is 2.72%. Next question, question number 2. Shivani bought eggs rupees 30 per ton and sold at the rate of 46.80 per dozen. Per dozen, that means 12 will be sold. 12 eggs will be sold on which price? 46.80. Find the gain or loss percent per egg. That means we have to find out the cost price per egg and find out the SP per egg. So firstly we have to find out the cost price of 10 eggs is equals to given rupees 30. We have to find out cost price of only one egg, that is 30 divided with 10, which is equals to rupees 3. Again selling price is given, SP of 1 dozen egg is given rupees 46.80. We have to find out SP of 1 egg, 1 dozen, that means total there is 12 items. So 46.80 divided with 12, which is equals to rupees 3.9. So SP of an egg is given, calculated. CP of an 1 egg is calculated. Now SP 3.9, CP only 3. So SP is greater than CP, so there it means it considered as profit. So profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 3.9, cost price is rupees 3, which is equals to rupees 0.9. We have to find out percentage also. So profit percent is equals to profit divide with cost price multiply with 100. Profit is 0.9 divide with cost price, that is rupees 3 multiply with 100. Decimal I cut, downside here 0. 0 cut with 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 3 multiply with 10, 30%. So profit of an egg, that is 30%.